In this video, I will show you how you can turn on and turn off the screensaver on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Display. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option for screensaver. Now to turn on screensaver, just tap on screensaver over here. Now over here, you have a few options for screensavers. Now as you can see, you have the option for colors. As you can see, this is the preview of colors. You have the option for device control, photo frame. You have the option for photo table and photos. Now just select the screensaver option which you prefer. For example, I will select colors. Now if I go to the home screen, if I go to the lock screen of my Samsung phone, and if I plug in my Samsung phone into charge, it will enable screensaver automatically after I plug in my Samsung phone into charge. Just like that. Now to turn off screensaver, just go back to the home screen and open settings. Now under settings, just tap on display, and from here, just look for screensaver. Now instead of colors or any other option, just select none. And after you do that, you'll turn off screensaver on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.